Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about e to the power of as ds. The integration of this one, you got about e to the power of as over a, and we put about c. The next one, the integration of 1 over s squared ds, you got about the integration of s to the power of negative number 2 ds. And we know that this one, we have s to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1, and we put about c. So you got about negative number 1 over negative number 1. And this one we can write into 1 over s. And now for this one, we have 6e to the power of 4s over number 4. Now capital A represent about number 4 in here. And the next one, this one you have negative 1 over s. That's it from here. And we put about c. Now 6 divided by 4, so we simplify, and you got about 3 over 2 e to the power of 4s. Negative, you got about positive. And I will put number 7 going here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.